I'm John. I am Caddy Daddy, or at least I've been Caddy Daddy for 41 years. Hope to get another 19 in there. But recently we started doing bot parts, Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac. Been doing it for a year and a half now, almost 4,300 items now on our website. But let's get down to episode 2 of dismantling the Fleetwood, the iconic 59 Cadillac Fleetwood with every single option on it. And Chris will be working on the car. He'll be taking things off. He has never done this before, and so he's learning as we go. But Chris is listing all the parts that we take off, and we're going to try to get you as many of those small parts listed as we can. And in this episode, we're going to be removing the carburetor, and we started taking off the fuel pump and housing for it. We'll be taking a few of the lines off. Over here, there's an air storage tank. I don't think we've ever listed those before. We've got quite a few of them, so we'll be listing those and taking that off today as well. Take off the generator. Pretty sure it's an air conditioning generator. We don't get those rebuilt these days. We have newer ones available, but we have the cores available if you need for us to ship you out the correct part. So with that, it's April the 5th, 2023, and we actually have a little bit of sun. And go get them, Chris.
All right, the next part I'm going to take off is this air storage tank, and it's going to be a 1/2-inch socket. I've been using the 1/2-inch and 5/8 a lot, so I've just been keeping these two with me handy whenever I start taking off the parts on this 59. Next, I want to start to take off the carburetor. Again, going back to 1/2-inch socket. We have this aftermarket part installed to the carburetor. We're not quite sure what it is. If you can help us out, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, help us identify this. All right, I know at some point these are going to be really difficult to take off. I'm going to hit it with some blaster right now to hopefully start breaking it up. Give it a good spray right now. All right, next I want to try taking out the generator. Now I have something underneath the car holding the assembly in place, because if you just tap this counterclockwise, the entire assembly is going to rotate. So you want something to hold it in place while you do this up top. And there we go. The whole assembly just fell out from underneath. Now I can remove this.